Now you too will be able to create realistic AI avatars. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a 100% free, realistic, watermark-free AI avatar of your own face, just like me. I found a better AI tool for you which will give you this kind of lip syncing and hand movements in HD quality. Most creators have struggled to create a perfect lip syncing avatar. Many of us want to start a faceless YouTube channel, but the main problem is that people don't know how to make a perfect lip syncing avatar for free. There are many AI tools out there, but most of them either don't work properly or don't offer free access. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 100% free, realistic AI avatar of your own face or any other face with lip-syncing hand animations and head movements that all work according to your script or voiceover. First, create an avatar image. For this, we will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt in the prompt box. You'll also find the prompt in the description box. This prompt will help you create an avatar. There are some important requirements. The face should be detailed and very clear, and the body should be close up. Full body images can make it difficult to generate a video avatar later. You can customize the prompt to suit your specific needs, adjusting details like facial features, expressions, or clothing style. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can create your own completely custom image prompt from scratch to design an avatar exactly the way you want. Now click on Generate. It will take a few seconds to complete the process. You can also use other image generation tools like Leonardo AI, PicLumen AI, MidJourney, or any other platform of your choice to create your avatar image. As you can see, the AI has generated the image and it looks detailed and visually appealing. Now go ahead and download the image. Now we will swap the avatar image. We will use our avatar image and replace it with the generated image. For this, go to Remaker AI. Remaker AI's face swap feature enables users to replace one person's face with another in a photo or video. Now click on Face Swap. If you don't see the face swap option, try searching for it in the search box. Now upload the image you recently generated using ChatGPT. This AI will keep the avatar image the same and only swap the face. After uploading the generated image, go ahead and upload your own face or avatar image in the section below. Next, click Swap Face, and within seconds, you'll see your new avatar with the swapped face ready to use. Here's the result. The image looks pretty close to our avatar. But if this AI requires a subscription, don't worry, there's an easy alternative option. Go to ChatGPT and upload the generated image, then upload your own face or avatar image. Remember, you must maintain the sequence. Then, ask ChatGPT to swap the images just like I'm doing. Now click Generate. The face swap is now complete. Go ahead and download the image. Now we need to generate a voice. We'll use 11 Labs, but you can also use other voice generation tools or even record your own voice. Go to 11 Labs and click on Try for Free. 11 Labs is well known for generating realistic voices. This AI is very user-friendly, and there are thousands of voices you can choose from to find exactly what you need. Next, click on the text-to-voice option to start generating your AI voice. Click on the Select Voice option to choose from different voices. You can modify the voice settings here, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Now add your text and click Generate. In a few seconds, the voice will be ready. Listen to it, and if you're happy with it, download the voice. Using the AI, you can create a custom AI voice that suits your specific needs. whether it's for podcasts, videos, or other multimedia projects. If you're looking for alternatives to 11 Labs, you can try Resemble AI, Murph.ai, Speechify, and more. Now it's time to create realistic AI lip sync videos. For this, we'll use Jogg AI, and I'll also show you an alternative tool that also you can use. Go to Jogg AI and you'll see the dashboard. Here you'll find many features, and the best part is that all of them are amazing. You'll find options like talking photo, avatar video, avatar VFX, video portrait, talking fancy podcast, and many more. Now click on Avatar Photo. Here, you'll find hundreds of avatars to choose from. But since most people use these, it's better to go for a unique one to stand out. Avatars are available here in both 9:16 and 16.9 frame ratios, so you can easily use them for YouTube or any other social platform. Now click on Create Photo Avatar. Here you'll see options like Photo Avatar, Custom Avatar, Text Avatar, and more. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Photo Avatar. Now upload the avatar photo you generated earlier. Then, upload your generated voice. Once it's uploaded, choose an emotion that best matches your avatar's character and click Generate. If this is your first time using it, you can create the avatar video for free. However, if you've already used it before, you'll need a subscription. Don't worry, I also have an alternative tool for this situation. Now head over to HeyGen.com, which is another great tool for creating AI avatar videos. On HeyGen's dashboard, you'll see lots of options. Things like video with avatar kit, quick avatar video, template video, create your avatar, product placement. So you really have a lot of flexibility here. Go to photo to video with avatar kit. Now upload the avatar image you created earlier. Next, on the right-hand side, upload the voice file you created with 11 Labs. Now, click on Add Audio. Here, you'll see the Custom Motion option. In the text box, type talking with proper hand and face movements. You can add more details if you want, but this alone works really well. Click Generate Video, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Although the watermark appears, you can cover it by placing your logo over it during editing, just like I did. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a 100% free, realistic, watermark-free AI avatar of your own face.